Okay, I'm going to show you how to change the carriage scan axis motor. First of all, I make sure that the machine is off and unplug with the power cable. So first, I have to open the left and right cover to access the motor fully. First I'm going to remove the funnel. Right. It's a bit hard, a little bit. Okay. Now it's removed. Number 15. I'm going to remove this from here. And also one here on the back. With the T20. One here. All right. Okay. Over. Off. Okay. Cover. First of all, we have to remove all post. Air is released already, so you can easily remove all the intermittent current or I'm removing the screw now from the side. Okay. This screw for the belt. Okay, the belt is released. Now the belt, as you see, the belt is released from the motor, and now here I have to open the back cover. I'm removing the motor at the moment.
This part is damaged, that part is not, all parts going down.
Yeah. think we have to. It can be edited, no? Here you can find the motor connector connected on the front neck. Alright. So this. The motor is blocking this. I'm going to remove this. And the two screws. Okay.